Hi everyone, it's Cindy at Shenandoah Papercraft, and this is the final flip through of my calendar challenge. I did this following Nancy Piter and Amy at Crafty Cat, and my theme was a floral calendar, which we folded into different pockets. And I followed Nancy Piter's way of folding it, and it's a collage type. I don't really collage that much, so this was kind of fun for me. It was something different. And I just used vintage fashion magazines and some floral stickers. So I hope you like this, how it turned out. The cover's from a vintage magazine. She was fashionable. I applied some die cuts of flowers that I had. Inside the first page, I just fussy cut a elegant woman. She's very classy. And on this page, I have this cute girl in her 1969 outfit from the JCPenney catalog, and up here in this pocket I made this lady. She is beautiful. She's showing her inner diva here in her perky little black and white check dress. Here's a long pocket, and I followed through with the rose theme and found this pretty lady, and she's got roses and butterflies on her beautiful pink and white sweater. She's glowing. On this lavender page, you'll look your loveliest. Over here on this page, it's been folded to make a long pocket in the back. Absolutely natural. She's just a cute little natural looking girl out in her yard with a bird. And down here I've used a seed package as a pocket, glued it on except for the top part, and I put this like a bookmark in here. I collaged this woman on top of some a floral page from my book. She's glamorous. Here's a 1960s outfit. I just love these things. It's a great classic outfit from the late 60s, early 70s. And these two side pockets. Here is one, elegant fashion. They're just journaling cards. Since there's not much journaling space in here, I put a few cards in here. And then these two floral cards, and they're just plain white on the back so you can write on them. There's two sweet girls in their knitted sweaters. And on this side, you in partying style. She looks like she's ready to go to a cocktail party or something. Very springy looking. And on this side, I've got two pockets. Instant Glamour, this girl and her dog. And in the pocket, here's a tag called Beautiful. And I fussy cut this giant sunflower out from one of the calendar pages. And here's a tag. The smart woman steps out in style. Here's a lavender page, layers of colors and textures. And I just put some stickers down here and the little mini tag that says subtle softness on it, in the same color as her dress. This cute girl is all daisies and sunshine. So on this page, on the two pockets, I put another girl with some sunflowers. And up here, this lady kind of goes with this lady. I think it was from the same vintage article, actually. To wear all summer, another sunshiny outfit. And on this side, I've got a cutout from a 1950s ad. A lady having coffee, and here's her flowers. And up top here, in the long pocket, I have two time cards. I think I showed you this one before. What's best to start on? and then this one, Pretty Pastels. So there's 2 different time clock cards. On this side, there's 2 teenage girls that are really up to date in their fashion. And here is a vintage postcard. There's no, let's see, August 28th, 1930, I believe. And on this side is a pocket, and I've got an elegant tag in here. I just fussy cut the girl out and put it on some pattern paper. Found the word elegant in the magazine. Rounded the corners. It's on white cardstock, so you can journal on the back of these too. This side is pretty busy. She's sweet. She's got this gorgeous, I think they call them patio sets from the 40s. And on this side is a floral shop doing its delivery. Here's another pack of seeds up here. In this pocket, and in the lower pocket, I've got 2 vintage postcards. They're not dated. Both birthday cards. On this side, I covered the calendar part with some roses, and then put this cute tag in the top pocket here. Soft and sweet. And on this side, I have one of those subscription box cards, like the recipe cards, but it's flowers, hyacinth. And in this pocket, there's nothing finer, and it's just girls in their lavender color outfits that go with this page right here. On the back, I left it alone to see, so you could see the original calendar pages, except this one spot because it had a bunch of advertisement on it. So I just covered that up with a Tim Holtz thing. But that is my collage calendar challenge, and I hope you like it. It was fun to make.